everyone, it's Sophie Hannah here again. I hope you're all really well. Today I have got a Halloween tutorial for you all. I'm super excited to be teaming up with Feelunique again. Halloween is one of my favourite times of the year. It's just that time where you can experiment and get super creative with makeup. And so I have decided to create a My Little Pony kind of anime inspired look. I thought I would go for something that wasn't gory. Halloween doesn't need to be about creating scary looks. So I thought I'd do something really fun and pretty and girly for you guys to get inspired this Halloween. And so this is my Little Pony anime character look. I hope you enjoy watching this tutorial. It's super easy to create. All I've used is pretty much a variety of different coloured liquid liners for this look, which are all available on Feelunique. Every single product I have used today you can shop via the links below. Yeah, let's get going with this tutorial. I really hope you enjoy it. What do you think of my My Little Pony Halloween look? Do you love it? Do you not? I'd love to hear your thoughts below. Don't forget to subscribe to Feelunique's YouTube channel if you enjoyed this. They've got many more videos collaborating with vloggers and influencers coming soon. As I said before, you can shop all of the products I use in this tutorial below. And yeah, I really hope you enjoyed watching me create this Halloween tutorial. I'm Sophie Hannah, and hopefully we'll see you again here soon. See you guys later.